guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a very quick, easy and simple Guyanese sweet potato salad recipe. And to get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my sweet potatoes that I have not yet peeled, and I'll be using some corn, green peas, carrots, red bell peppers, some parsley, mayonnaise, mustard, and I have here some complete seasoning, black pepper, and seasoned salt. So I went ahead and peeled my sweet potatoes and chopped them up, and this is the size I chopped them in. You can chop yours in whatever size you like, and I did soak them in some water so they won't oxidize. And now we will begin to boil the potatoes. So here in a large pot, I have already added my potatoes and some water, and now I will add my seasoned salt. This is so the potatoes can cook and have the flavor all the way through. You could use regular salt for this step. It is totally up to you, and we will boil our potatoes until they are soft but not mushy. So once your potatoes are boiled and they are thoroughly cooled off, we will go ahead now and start adding our seasonings. We will add the complete seasoning and the black pepper, just to flavor it up. You know, we have to add layers of flavor to our potato salad. We already seasoned it when we boiled it, and now we will add a little bit more seasonings. And then we will add our vegetables. We will mix those in, and then we will add our mustard and mayonnaise, and we will mix them in also. And remember guys, you can add as much or as little of these ingredients that you like. It is your choice. Everybody have different taste buds. If you need some more of something, you can just add it. This is just a guide to show you guys how I do my recipe. And now we will add our parsley, and that's it, you guys. That's how simple and easy it is to make this delicious potato salad. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious Guyanese sweet potato salad. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!